Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to delete all your ChatGPT conversations at once to give your account a completely fresh start. Whether you're on a Mac, a PC, or your phone in 2026, the process is quick and permanent, so let's get right into it. First, you need to head into your account settings to find the main kill switch. If you're using the desktop app on macOS or Windows, look at the bottom left corner of your screen and click on your name or profile icon. This will open up a small menu where you should select the Settings button. If you're using the web version at chatgpt.com, the layout is nearly identical, and you'll find your profile menu in that same bottom left spot. Next, you need to navigate to the Data Management area. Once the Settings window pops up, look at the sidebar on the left and click on the Data Controls tab. This is where OpenAI keeps all your privacy and history toggles. Scroll down until you see the red text that says Delete All Chats. When you click this, a final confirmation box will appear on your screen to make sure you didn't hit it by accident. Then, you must confirm the deletion to wipe the slate clean. Click the Confirm button in that pop-up, and the app will instantly begin removing every single conversation from your history. On your iPhone or Android, the steps are the same. Tap the two-line menu, hit the three dots by your name, go to Data Controls, tap Delete All Chats. Keep in mind that once you hit Confirm, there's no Undo button, and those chats are gone from your sidebar forever. Finally, you should verify that your sidebar is empty. After the process finishes, your left-hand history panel should be completely absent of any previous queries. If you see a new chat screen with a blank history, you have successfully cleared your account. This is a great habit to get into if you use ChatGPT for sensitive work or if you just feel like your sidebar has become a cluttered mess of old ideas. And that is it. Your account is officially reset and ready for your next project. If this quick cleanup guide helped you stay organized today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.